Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap White Marsh local and long-distance movers near me. With 3 movers, you have nothing to worry about. We are a licensed moving company and have years of experience moving customers long distance. Whether you are moving to another country, state, or moving internationally, we are always ready to assist you. Our movers are dedicated to completing their work professionally, from packing your belongings protectively to delivering them safely to your doorstep. Even if your new home or office is nearby, you still need to pack and move your stuff. Amidst daily activities and office work, it's a little difficult to make time to contemplate a moving plan. You need to sort all your things before packing them to make it easy for you to settle right away in your new space. But do you have any plan for how you are moving your heavy furniture and electronics to your new space? A local White Marsh moving company is what you need to make your move smooth and fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our White Marsh moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.